Every day, students waited in long lines. The library used paper records. The principal realized it was time for a smarter solution.
Why is it taking so long?
They still use paper registers.
Let's find a better way.
We need a system that makes library services faster and easier.
The team first met with all the stakeholders to understand their needs.
It should quickly issue and return books.
Next, the team designed the entire system.
Let's map the complete workflow before development.
This included the user interface, database, and workflow. I've finished the login and book screens. The developers built the software exactly according to the approved design, included in the next version.
Can we also add an online bookstore?
Right, makes sense. Let's finish this project first. After development, the software entered the testing phase. Testers carefully checked every feature,
Reported bugs and verified the fixes. Perfect, until the entire system works correctly.
Finally, the software was deployed. I borrowed this book in just a few seconds. Students could use it successfully.
Excellent work. Just like water flows downward, each called the waterfall model.